Hi. To start with the recipe, first, let's prepare our fresh strawberries. Take your 4 cups of strawberries and give them a good wash under cool water. Make sure to dry them thoroughly with a clean kitchen towel or paper towels. We don't want any extra water affecting our jelly. Remove those green stems, and you're ready for the next step. Now comes the fun part, crushing those beautiful strawberries. You'll need to crush them until you get about 2 cups of fruit. You can use a potato masher, or if you don't have one, the bottom of a clean glass works great too. The texture should be like a thick, chunky puree. You'll know you've crushed enough when there are no large pieces remaining. Let's get cooking. Put your crushed strawberries and a 1/4 cup of water in a large pot and bring it to a boil. This is where the magic happens. We're going to cook this mixture for 30 to 45 minutes. You'll know it's ready when the mixture has reduced slightly and the color has deepened to a rich, dark red. Time for straining. This step is crucial for getting that perfect, clear jelly texture. Pour your cooked strawberry mixture through a fine mesh strainer, or if you don't have one, you can use a clean piece of cheesecloth. Press gently with a spoon to extract all that precious juice, but don't push too hard or you'll end up with pulp in your jelly. The pulp can go to the compost. It's done its job. In a small saucepan, combine your 1.75 ounces package of pectin with water and bring to a boil. Let it bubble away for exactly 1 minute. Set a timer for this one. You'll see the mixture become slightly thicker and more translucent, which tells you it's ready. Now, in a large bowl, combine your strained strawberry juice with 4 cups of sugar. This might seem like a lot of sugar, but trust me, it's necessary for both the preservation and the setting of our jelly. Stir until the sugar is completely dissolved. When you no longer hear the crunch of sugar crystals against the bowl, you're good to go. Here comes a critical moment. Add your hot pectin mixture to the juice and sugar combination. The key here is to pour it in a steady stream while stirring constantly. Add that 1/2 teaspoon of butter too. It helps prevent foaming and gives your jelly a beautiful clarity. Time to bring everything to its final boil. Pour the mixture into a large pot and bring it to a rolling boil. That's when bubbles keep breaking the surface, even while stirring. Let it boil for 1 to 2 minutes until it starts to thicken. You'll know it's ready when a drop on a cold plate doesn't run when you tilt it. Now for the jarring process. Carefully pour your hot jelly into clean jars, leaving that crucial 1/2 inch of headspace at the top. This space is important because your jelly will expand slightly as it sets. If you're using a funnel, great. If not, a ladle and steady hand work just fine. Finally, seal those jars tight and let them cool completely for 24 hours. Don't be tempted to move them around too much during this time. The setting process is delicate. You'll know your jelly is properly set when you tilt the jar and the jelly moves as one mass rather than like a liquid. And that's how you make this delicious recipe. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more recipes like this one.
Bye.